Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to extract the text from the image using Claude AI tool. Here you can go and type Claude.ai. So this one is the platform that you can use to generate different type of codes, designs and many more. So I have an image. I want to get the text from this image. Now let me go back and upload the image. Here I can go and open this one, Claude, then select the file, okay, this one is the file. Now I can type here, I need all the text from this image. After that scroll down, then click this button. Here you can see we have got all of the text that is available in this image. So that looks fine.